Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will show you how to use gesture finger on my TikTok video. So now let's have a look. First go to TikTok apps. After coming the TikTok apps, you need to press on plus icon. Then press on effects icon. After that, you need to find gesture filter. Then I find out gesture filter. If you already download, then just click on it, and if it's not download, it will take some time to download it. After that, you will see these three finger icon on your screen. That means if you using this icon, then you will see how does it look. So I think the problem is solved, and you know right now how to use gesture finger in the TikTok video. So if you get any help from this video, then thumbs up and below down, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also share my channel with your friends. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.